It was a cool Monday night in London, the air buzzing with excitement as stars gathered at Cineworld Leicester Square for the European premiere of the highly anticipated thriller, Twisters. Among the glittering crowd, one star shone brighter than the rest, Daisy Edgar-Jones. As the clock struck the premiere hour, the crowd's chatter hushed, all eyes turning toward the entrance. There she was, Daisy Edgar-Jones, stepping out of her car like a force of nature. The moment she emerged, it was clear that she had not just arrived. She had arrived in style, embodying the very essence of the film she was there to promote. Her dress was a creation of pure genius by Vivienne Westwood, brought to life by the visionary styling of Dani. This wasn't just a gown, it was a masterpiece. The dress was a whirlwind of rich chocolate brown fabric swirling around Daisy's frame like a graceful cyclone. The bodice, corset-like with a dramatic scoop-shaped neckline, seemed to rise from her chest, adding a touch of daring elegance. The skirt was a marvel in itself, a winding cascade with a high slit that revealed her left leg, flowing into a train that trailed behind her like the tail of a tempest. As Daisy walked the red carpet, her dress moved with her, each step creating the illusion of a living, breathing tornado. The loose strips of fabric danced around her, a perfect homage to the swirling chaos of a storm. Onlookers were mesmerized, their gazes following her every move. Daisy's rise to fame with normal people had already made her a household name, but the red carpet can be a daunting stage for anyone. Despite admitting her nerves, Daisy exuded a newfound confidence. If her look last night was any indication, she was well on her way to becoming one of Hollywood's best-dressed stars. Adding to her ensemble's allure, Daisy wore chunky gold jewelry from Cartier's Café collection. The pieces, crafted from 18K yellow gold and encrusted with diamonds, were inspired by coffee beans and complemented her dress perfectly. The jewelry added a touch of refined elegance, glistening in the camera flashes as she posed for the photographers. As she walked the red carpet, Daisy Edgar-Jones wasn't just an actress attending a premiere. She was a walking, talking embodiment of the film's theme, a whirlwind of beauty and style, leaving everyone in her wake utterly spellbound. With each step, she solidified her place not just as a talented actress, but as a fashion icon in the making. The premiere of Twisters was a night to remember, and Daisy Edgar-Jones ensured that her look would be talked about for years to come. As the cameras continued to flash and the whispers of admiration grew louder, one thing was clear: a star had truly arrived. Daisy Edgar-Jones's red carpet moment wasn't just an outfit. It was a story, a performance, a statement. It's moments like these that remind us why we love fashion. It's not just about clothes. It's about expression, creativity, and stepping into a character, even if just for a night. Stay tuned for more enchanting fashion stories and style inspirations right here on Splengo Fashion. Until next time, keep shining, fashion lovers.